Hello my friends, today, during the worst times in the market, you will see with your own eyes the most powerful binary options in Forex indicator that works with full force. Focus with me, we will explain step by step. Now, a 5-minute candle in the same upward direction, and also the Zain indicator from below gives a bullish signal. Now the success rate is no less than 90%. Also, it is important for everyone to know that the Zain indicator does not redraw itself and works with the price trend and at all market times. We will wait until the signal ends and enter the next signal and see the real success rate. Everyone should know that it is a paid indicator and you will not find it anywhere else. You will find the link to contact me directly below the video. If you want to achieve real profits, talk to us directly. Now another signal has come, which we will enter directly in front of you so that you can see the strength of the Zain indicator. As you have seen, the signal succeeded. The way it works is as we explained to you in this video and the previous video. The frame is 1 minute and the expiration time is 5 minutes. Now another signal has come, which we will enter directly in front of you so that you can see the strength of the Zain indicator. I hope you have an enjoyable viewing. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like it, and leave us a comment. If you want to get an indicator, you will find the link below the video. Do not forget that it is an indicator for our VIPs.